I'm not a scientist, but I have a feeling that when atoms are energized, that is how they behave under the microscope.
Hello, welcome to Solution Prime TV. And today, my dear Makano, science is nature. You are part of the nature, so you have to know what is in nature. Enjoy. And see, whether yes science and yes science, you are part of the nature. So, more harm, much at showing your manka cranka na alone nature. You may be all happen. They are all science. Yes. In the metro kwana afaba otumenyin. On the mitide no musa. Mewia body no fiin fa baka da mo body ho amenya ma body hwe ofiin fa baka ho and mamba kan is true science nti be waso na team listen to me very carefully na mencho kwana na mo wia no sisi maybe a Moses like this na ekwana those people who gym, you know, how does the body, I mean, increases? You know, a bend in the body no increase because one only body to them ala but my kakra only body to them ala slim or gym and the man na Moses na then Moses aba monam no fin for bed. We see then it be some of them questions now. Have you asked yourself those questions? It be some see then yin how bones no afabosa no bones kete o see the bones no see the yini enwa hwe sisa mo bones mesa no nte da mesa wal enwa yes we na these are all signs nti o see then the mad happening nti mma be chro dam ekwana nimpa fodohin ana body ni baba kan ebi body ni ebi ba kan or through two process meiosis and mitosis wey na were two science terms a what fall under cell division or your true cell division na yam body no wo yan yesu na yam body kete bi abaka ho yen bones no san kete eso afaba ni se metime chia no na ebunu basisi a eso me se me ho the bones na eden yes eda mbenya time no becheche bones sim bones no ye wo mogo na ye wo mo ye den and osi them ba at that many time no mbabo no so ma be che omu nyina na atase binde mamba kan wansam no is cell division. Cell division na kwana yembody no o divide into body no. The body is made up of cells and the cells na body no o make up the cells no or divide or multiply into natural and the cell division they are in two phases, meiosis and mitosis. Sensu so anka na ekututu wosen ana wotachama awrato wonim meiosis and mitosis. Our body bia is up to you. It's a noun. Okay. Inti the meiosis and mitosis are what fall under cell division. Firstly, me pede me checho cell ya abade. And I'm talking about living cell. I'm not talking about cell or battery. We the living cell. Okay. According to science, our body, every living thing on this earth is made up of cell. In the definition of cell, it says that cell is the basic unit of life. That is the definition that meka better say. Basic unit. In the answer na nimpa by nimpa of the cells no. Answer na plant or by a plant of the cells no. Answer na akoko by akoko no of the answer na by is the same in the cells. Domestic to humans because we are part of the nature. Yes, BBI are part of the nature. Are there all living thing BI is part of the nature. But maybe baka yenimpa de seni wasam. And according to science, besie biano or release the egg, matured egg, and or every month biano or release them egg, you know. You find the egg cells. Sometimes you baka there female sex cell. And your male sex cell no in nimpem you can nimpa one to you find the sperms are off being no oba and the sperms no or contain semen and that semen na can liquid substances the liquid substance no on na sperms no mfantefo bɛka nkwamboa. These are the sperms, and these sperms, they are in a semen. The semen is the liquid part of the this ono boa ma to swim sperms for besia na wudima to enter the fallopian tube and fertilize with the matured egg besia no every month be o release no. Nti se o release na odawa na wenhyia any sperms bia ono gene oba as moja no. And mamamfa don checho nyama kakra wa ha. Besia no anytime bia matured egg obo release matured egg bia awode no mu no obey lining obe make sure the numu aye clean very nice ama se eba ne ba wenye baby ada ama eba ne ba no wan tono wambre. Nti menstruation ankasa the pain is coming from dam lining no se egg no gina no fallopian tube no boboto wumbu no ma ana or turn into blood no fi waseleba onyo no na oma pains ne ba oma pains ne ba no the lining of the womb sisia no wagin we meet sperms into obo wo skin no dam lining no bo from your womb ono no cause the pain no montiado ba me cheche onyama kakra. Nti se sperms no na egg no wo hia no fertilizer and the fertilization occurs. When fertilization occurs, then obo form a zygote. The zygote no obefi oya fallopian tube no ababa the womb no. No eba na de no zygote no don afam womb no. You find implantation oba touch the walls of the womb. You find implantation into on no be start to develop embryo of embryo wa be fetus of fetus wa be baby. Nti dam two cells me pada me kire kwana nimpa de seni ye den ye be and also then so ye multiply ye bebeyin and two sperms no egg cell and sperm cells no wo fuse no be da womb no mu no osi den na occupy multiplying ebe baby from baby to child you know ofuwo osi den no dam cells too na wa join osi den no developer be nimpa de seni no baby na baby no so oba nyina baye today nimpa malankasa metine ma abo no. And it's true science. Okay, mama checho mu se cells no sperm cell and egg cell maturely canal cells the cells no the basic unit of life on onimpa bia wo wiase plant wo wiase bibiala wo wiase o won ko bia no or you from cells no fi be. Nti me checho wo nimpem nimpa ye bear from cells and it's through the sperm cell and the egg cell ye fertilization happen or form a zygote that mama na and sana we keep on developing into baby into develop into baby no wo na osi den ye and it's through mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis, that is it. Mama checho mitosis no mu so new baby wo wa afrofofora newborn baby wo na ono dam particular child no another afra no o contain billions of cells only be a child in otumenanto otumekasa ono cells na afra no kita no or your more billions of cells. Yes, but by your adult or you over 37 trillion cells nti yana mankasa megina we I am made up of over 37 trillions of cells who make up army. The same applies to you. The same applies to a friend. Obibia. Yes. And that is the cell division. Inti mature cell division ti may start with mitosis. That mitosis no a one of the new or your cell division cells need divide oneself and or your one cell on the dam no offer do or produce cells no. And now so they or no dam no offer that cells be bebree mu or your one be divide itself into two. Or divide itself into two to them say two they may divide into two. Cell one we divide into two. We be dividing itself into two. We should be dividing itself into two, forming four. And four no so each divide itself into two, making making 8. 8 no so obi be divide making 16. 16 no ɔkɔ do dɛmaa, and through that na ebu the body na ahyɛ ase olihin ɔleyɛ kɛse. That is how mitosis cell division or happen. Okay, so what are the benefits of mitosis? Mitosis no ɔno no ɔboa ma yɛnyin yɛyɛ tetenten. It aid in growing taller and bigger. That is the help of the mitosis. Mitosis no ɔno so no ɔrepair dead cells, worn out tissue. Ebu epra wo body wan yɛ some style na wo skin na asɛe. As time goes on, ebu ndo wo skin na wasɛe no we heal, and it's through mitosis no. It's through mitosis. Ɔno ɔrepair worn out tissue. Yɛnkɔ meiosis. Meiosis no ɔno ɛkwan a meiosis ɔno so ɔma body no ɔma cells no keep on multiplying or divide itself into different cells bebree ama wo cells no wayɛ more. Ɔno no ɔyɛ one cell obi divide itself into 4 into one cell. We divide itself into 4, and 4 no so could be divide itself into 4, and they will keep on multiplying. And meiosis no ono oye for reproduction. Ono obo for reproduction. Obo may produce more sperms. It will produce eggs, more eggs. That is the egg cell. Besiane egg no. Nti meiosis no obo ma beyin otumu produce more sperms. Every month be release egg, keep on producing, and that is the work of meiosis. Into meiosis no the major man. Into meiosis any reproduction them testosterone, estrogen, that hormones na oboa the hormones no oboa or increase libido, increase besia and be libido no the meiosis no on oboa it keep on producing more hormones into the body. We na your friend cell division kwana body no offer do onion, and or through cell division, and mekado meiosis and mitosis. I've explained meiosis, also explained mitosis. But a better DDA and DDA, this means that diet also influence the cell division. Yes, into wakacho there eat protein, because protein repairs worn out tissue. Into say and the protein won pedweduma source 1 year protein in order to repair worn out tissue. Into boom there will be a problem. The same applies to other diet. Diet bu wa edia oma ebono wakacho there you have to have zinc in your body, you have to have iron in your body, calcium. All this diet or nutrition say take on my cells into me ejuma. For example, cells no although all divide to cure your body, and because you are lacking all those things they bring a disease, and that is that on timi ejuma no. But when they get all the diet, all the nutrients like that, about one when your energy, yes, about energy to for them to work. The same applies to mitosis and meiosis na mekano. Or happy in the same or happy in the body muscles no. Body no or keep on multiplying producing cells or produce cells now. Cells your muscles or your muscle or your group of cells are work album. So muscle is a tissue. Why? Because it's a group of cells work one album. One more muscles into muscles no one win nobody. Me you skin and muscles and I'm not one win now no or your cells, and they will keep on multiplying or multiply. The same applies to your skeleton. Your skeletal tissue, and the skeletal tissue also is made up of cells. And Mikabi be there. One hour Jamin also aid in enlargement of the muscles. My body no onion and tam or a symptom when they be a ball. And a bed no for the ball. Mature there mitosis or your cell division, whereby cells no obe divide into two no could be divide itself into two, we should be divide itself into two, one form of four once we be divide one cell one form of 8, 8 dama 16 dorokɔ nti weight lifters no wɔn a wɔma gymming no wɔn a wɔkɔ gymming center no nti wɔ lift weight no dama ɛkwan a ɔfa do ni there's a tiny tears in your muscles or your skin inside your muscles. Into what also there's a tiny tear. Auto damana, your body will try to heal it to repair worn out tissue. Or 14 hour more resolve. And through that, they produce more cells. And production of more cells no on my elbow into a tiny tear. Or better no will produce more cells, With time, the bundle muscles now increase in size. And they will be on the muscles or a tissue group of cells. Until the muscles no keep on developing. For several times, for several times. Obondo of course tiny tears. The man will be stronger. Then they keep on increasing in muscles. That is it. But meiosis no na make sure help in reproduction. And it's a moderate exercise. And exercise they be exercise. Moderate exercise. Oh yeah, now I exercise your body kakra. Bandama, it aid in quality production of hormones. Reproduction hormones, testosterone and estrogen. Now, Mebobonibia is accepted. Okay, that is the work of the meiosis, sorry. But one thing already there, too much exercise will causes low weak production of sperms. Say exercise be bria. That is why make it the moderate exercise. They be exercise. A tie exercise be bria reduces the quality of your sperm production. In the bonde I exercise the man talk to the man. Take note of that. Too much exercise will disrupt your production of eggs. That is how the meiosis and mitosis. I hope they say BB and keep on subscribing to this channel. Follow the channel no na meche cho nyama kakra. One thing is that I am now starting, so I'm forcing small developing, and I hope BB are fine.